Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm going to show how to fix Broadcom Wi-Fi on macOS Sonoma. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for the latest updates. And now, let's start. Recently, Apple announced its new macOS lineup, which is macOS Sonoma. Unfortunately, with the announcement of macOS Sonoma, Apple has officially dropped support up to Skylake, including iGPU support, followed by macOS Ventura. However, the biggest downfall we see is the removal of Broadcom Wi-Fi support in macOS Sonoma. This has led to a major disappointment with the users who use non-Apple computers with macOS installed. Now to fix Broadcom Wi-Fi on macOS Sonoma, you'll require Hackintool to verify whether the installed card is being detected under macOS or not. OCLP repository for extracting few texts. OpenCore configurator for mounting ESP and editing config plist. And lastly, OpenCore patcher for patching system volume. Now firstly, make sure that the Wi-Fi module is being detected. To check that, open Hackintool. After Hackintool is open, locate your Wi-Fi module under the PCIe section in Hackintool. The Wi-Fi module is usually listed as a network controller under the class and subclass column. After making sure that your Wi-Fi module is being detected, now you'll need to install a few kexts depending on your Wi-Fi module. Here is the list of kexts that you'll need to use if you have any of the cards installed. The Wi-Fi card currently I'm using is an Apple Airport FenV card. So, I'll be using the kexts according to that. You'll get the required kexts under the video description. Few kexts are directly available for download, and a few of them need to be extracted from OCLP repository. Now after getting the required kexts, open the OpenCore configurator, and mount your ESP. After mounting the ESP, place the required kext to the kexts folder of your EFI's OC folder. Now after placing the kexts, open config.plist, and then add the entries of newly added kexts in the kernel tab. After adding the kexts, make sure to keep them in proper order, and also set them in kernel version to 23.0.0. Now after specifying the kext's minimum kernel, now you'll need to block ioskywalk.kext. For that, go to the block section of the kernel tab, and then add the kexts you want to block. After blocking the required kext, go to the miscellaneous tab, and then security tab. Here you'll need to disable the Secure Boot model. For that, just select Disabled from the Secure Boot model drop-down list. After disabling the Secure Boot model, go to the NVRAM tab and then select the last UUID. Here you'll need to add a bootarg, and we'll need to disable the SIP. Add the following bootarg under the bootargs key, and then provide the value for CSR active config. Now after making the required changes, quit OpenCore configurator, while saving the changes, and then eject the mounted ESP. And after that, restart your PC. Now after booting back, open Core Patcher, and now you'll need to patch the system volume. To patch, just click on Post Install Root Patch, then click on Start Root Patching, and then proceed with the prompts. And now after restart, you'll have the Wi-Fi working as before. And now as you can see, the Wi-Fi is connected, and working perfectly as expected. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below, or create a thread on our forum. Make sure to check out the forum for in-depth guides. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.